When your Bose Soundlink Micro voice prompt is saying it's connected but plays no sound, no audio through the speaker, in most cases, sound is playing only to the device speaker. Whatever device is paired to iPhone, Android, Windows, or Mac, we'll try to solve it in this video. If you have paired multiple devices with your Bose Soundlink Micro and trying to play music from both of them, please remember it will play the music from just one of your devices. If you want to play from the other device, just pause the music from one of your devices and play it on the other device. Then your Bose Microlink will play music from that specific device. Also, make sure the device sound is turned up. Also, if you're trying to listen to music for somewhere like YouTube or any app, make sure sound is not muted in there. After cross-checking all of this, if you're still getting no sound, just press on this power button on your Bose Soundlink, turn it off, and wait for 10 seconds before you turn it on again. Restart your device. If there's still no sound or no audio, whatever device you're trying to listen to music from it, from the Bluetooth section, just forget the device. And then repair your Bose Soundlink with the device of your choice. Your no sound problem will be solved. Now, just in case if you're using a Windows and facing this same problem, from its settings, go to System, to Sound, make sure Bose Soundlink Micro is selected as output device. Similarly, if you're a MacBook user, from Settings, search for Sound Output, and make sure in this output section, Bose is selected as your output device. After that, make sure it's not muted and turn up the volume if needed. You can also access the same settings from your Mac's control center to sound. And after all this process, whatever device you're using, just restart it once and your no sound problem will be solved, I promise you. Thanks for watching.